Good morning. My name is Syed Tanveer Mehtab, and this is the video recording for assignment number 4 of requirement analysis. So I'm gonna share my screen. So in this assignment, I'm gonna create a data flow diagram that will represent the content and how it is, where it is stored, and how it is transformed, by whom it is transformed, and how then it is displayed over the CCTV for the tenants to see, or tenants who are living in the senior housing. So first I'm going to represent a data store to represent a video repository. Uh, it's basically for the recreational videos such as cooking videos and travel vlogs, which are taken mostly from the YouTube. So after that, I'm going to represent a process which will be represented by a circle, and it will be named as reformat videos, which will be done by the TV tools as we know it from the Seniors Connect. How the process is, how the process actually is. So I'm going to connect them. Okay. So the second type of videos would be basically the news, uh, which are happening in the city and even the global news. And so I'm going to represent that too as a data storage, since it's a data, it's a compilation of videos or news content. And as we know from the Seniors Connect, that the news content is basically compiled by a Mohawk student, or who was an intern who was working with the Seniors Connect, or Brenda herself. So I'm gonna represent them as well. And then the news is again the news content, whatever is has been compiled, is then reformatted by the TV tools. So it's gonna connect to the same process. And then there is one other another type of data store, and it should be about the news of whatever is like happening in the building. For example, this lift isn't working, or the pipes have busted, or any other news which is important and has to be uh, given to the tenants living over there. So this data flow, this data store is going to represent that information. And this is going to be created by another external entity, which will be the building management, senior housing management. I'm gonna connect them as well to represent the data flow. So the last process would be so basically this would not go to TV tools, just go to reformat videos. So the formatting basically is done by the TV tools, and then it is stored to another as a repository or as a database as reformatted videos. Formatted videos. And to represent the data flow, I'm gonna connect it to the process. And finally, from here, uh, the since we have stored all the formatted videos in a specific database, now we can display them on the CCTV. So I'm gonna represent that as the process display on CCTV. And then from here, the content whatever is displayed on the CCTV is directly consumed by the tenants. So I'm going to represent them as an external entity. I think they should be in the opposite direction. Okay, so this is the data flow diagram that represents the uh, formatting of the videos or the news content by the TV tools, and then how it is displayed on the CCTV so that customers can see them or consume them. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Okay, so this was the recording for the assignment number 4. Thank you.